Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start to hide overflow. First, what you're gonna do about select a frame and start to use it on order as soon as possible to do it. So what you're gonna do is a sidebar to scroll to the clip content, which is really to be satisfied with making this progress or position that is really to be going on with that. And already what you're gonna do. Okay, so let me show you here to the clip content. So it doesn't actually have a clip content here, and we're gonna see right now the clip content is should be right on the right corner panel, and we should turn it on, and anything outside the frame is hidden. So the overflow is really on the prototype, maybe because it has a flow starting point, and this is really how you see through that or through the interaction. You gonna see that there is no interaction with overflow, and overflow here it should be really no scrolling, so really you can't start to hide this behavior. It's really about to remove it or starting with changing it, and that is all about here. To see also the start of the overflow one, it should be really this scrolling or something.